businessmen, they came here, they live here, then they got married to the local Malay woman. So this is what we call the Peranakan community. Because if you see, they can dress like the Chinese. So they got the dragon, embroidery. They eat food like the putu mayam, like the Indian. But then they also always have the belacan.
Chili.
Yes. So they will mix their food. Okay. So some rules for y'all. One, if you have food or drink, please keep it inside your bag. Do not take it out.
Okay.
Because you're not supposed to eat or drink it. Secondly, if you want to take photographs, please take many photos. And please post on Instagram, Facebook, your WhatsApp, your wherever. Send us your beautiful photo. Okay, then I will also post. But do not use the stick.
Oh, yes.
You can hit against these are very expensive things. Just like that. And also please don't lean against the glass or put your head because it sort of messes up that. Okay? So that's all I want to tell all of y'all. Just please make sure you register. And then two more things. Always join AES Instagram. I will always put up the posters for y'all. Secondly, WhatsApp number safe. Okay, safe. All the fun club activities are free, yeah? Okay, and we are also organizing new activities now. From July, August, September onwards, we will do club activity at another place. Okay? So those are free, but we recently posted a training program. That one is not free. The one we are going is another registration you have to pay. That's good, alright? But that's up to y'all. We just want y'all to spend your time in the whole way. You come for the free one, when you want to upskill yourself, go for the training. It's also good because we are also share with your employers. You have senior employers that will say, okay, can? At AES Partner, we go for picnics, we go museum, we are going for what? Gardens by the Bay. Don't forget, the art class and the Zumba is now ongoing at Orchard Central. So every first, second, third is over there. Then last Sunday we go out. Can? Okay. Whoever has registered, I assume you are writing your name down. And I'm giving you the sticker to give you. Okay?
Asan yung pink? Ayun, kuha tayo ng... Oh. Okay guys, papasok na kami sa loob.
Pasok kami dito. First floor kami.
First group kami, first floor kami. Yeah. What's in a name? Peranakan has meant different things at different times. The basic term is Malay language, the lingua franca of maritime Southeast Asia since the 15th century. Yes, that's why they say be careful. Siyempre, become antique na kasi ilang buwan na. Sombrero nila yan, guys. Yes.
Hindi, kumpara sa akin, di pa nung ni Machilan.
Magellan ba?
Sino? Anong una?
Lapu-lapu, wow.
Machilan, lapu-lapu, sim.
Ang ganda ng carpet nila. Carpet ba yan o yung kwan? Yung pinagluluhuran nila? Curtains. Ties. Yan o, ties.
Guys, yan ang third.
Oh, yun o, number 12 o. Oh, yung pan nila o, yung books nila nun. Fortune Communities. Ito yung parang ano to? Studio? Peranakan Diversity. Ayun naman. Ayan guys, so nakasarong kabaya siya. Oh. Yun ang damit ng mga Peranakan. Ayan, antik na upuan, hindi na makakatayo dyan si Simply Yam. May hihila na yan sa kanya. Yam. Hindi, lift na yan. Papunta sa taas.
Okay.
Ayaw ko mag-lift. My jewelry, guys. Wow, mga corona. Buckle. Wow. Belt. Belt with buckles. Oh. Wow. Oo. Belt with buckles. Ay, ito yung sa mga buhok. Pin ng buhok. Ha? Naka 10 minutes ka? 10 minutes ako eh. Saan? Saan? Doon? Asan yung hikaw na gusto mo? Yan? Yan?
Isang ganun lang.
Sedikit ka mo ha. Syempre, of course. Century mga centuries na to.
Siguro mga
Sa damit, brush, sa hair yan. Oh. Diyos me.
sa Pilipinas, makabinat.
Ay, baka pinasok na ng magnanakaw. Wow, itong mga belt nila, oh. Gold. Yo, 19th century, sir. Kumikinang-kinang. Ito na yung mga damit ng mga pranakan. Mga kebaya, kamisol, skirt. Ang gaganda. Mga beads.
Amo din siya sa ito, di ba? Yes.